If you're looking for an investment broker, then making the right choice is essential. Making sure that you're choosing an investment broker that has fantastic features is also important. We're having a look today at interactive brokers. We're also having a look at Trade Republic. We're going to put them head to head. We want to know which one has better offers. So let's check them out. Alright, so we are jumping into interactive brokers. I think everybody has seen interactive brokers around. You can actually access professional grade trading tools like advanced charting, algo trading, and even robust research tools. You can trade in over 150 markets across the globe, including stocks, bonds, options, and even forex. You get offered tiered pricing for larger trades, obviously making it more cost effective for everybody. Interactive brokers actually also provides low interest margin loans, allowing you to borrow for leveraged trades. They also offer in-depth webinars, courses, tutorials, and a whole bunch more for all traders of all skill levels. It's tailored for the trading workstation, the TWS, to suit your trading style and your preferences. So let's have a look at one or two of their drawbacks. Beginners may find it a little bit overwhelming. The interface, I think, is more aimed towards like the more advanced trader. And then also having a look at the fees for smaller investors. It is cost effective, but for more high volume traders, so your casual investors, if you are in that category, you might find that the fees are a little bit less competitive. We're looking at Trade Republic now. So Trade Republic actually offers commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and with only a low flat rate for third-party costs, which is great. You can save on that. You can automate your investments with ETF savings plans to grow wealth over time. And then also it's focused more on European stocks, providing a more robust selection of EU-based investors. Also, it's designed for simplicity, and it makes it extremely easy for beginners to navigate and execute trades. You know, if you watched a few of our videos, we like easy software. If it's free and it's easy, it's a winner. It also has a fully mobile-focused platform, so you can actually trade on the go. One or two of their drawbacks, though, compared to some of their competitors, they offer more narrow and no access to forex or crypto trading. So if that's what you're looking for, it might be a bit of a problem. And then also they don't have a demo account, which kind of is a bit of a bummer, because it would be nice to jump in and have sort of like a virtual trading account to play around with before you jump in with real funds. So there you go. You have now seen the benefits as well as the drawbacks of both of the platforms. At the end of the day, the key takeaway is to go and experiment with each one of them. Find out which one actually works for you, and then make a decision based on that. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.